Welcome. In a previous video I did an unboxing of this Insta360 One X2 360 camera, and I'll put a link in the description to my Insta360 playlist where you can find that video. And I'll also put a link to this below, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. In this video I'm going to be setting this up in the app. So I've charged it up, so I'll close the charge port here. So I'll be setting this up on my iPad, but you could also set this up on a phone, which would probably be more likely. I just like setting things up on iPad for videos. So I'll press the power button to turn it on. That seemed to do it. Okay, looks like it is on right now. I'm going to go into the App Store and I'll look up Insta360. Here I see the Insta360 app. It says for the One RS Go. Let's see if this is the right one. I'll hit Get. Okay, I'll open the app. Has a user agreement, I'll agree. It's asking if I have a camera, I'll say yes. It says the following permissions are required: network, Bluetooth. So I'll tap through these and I'll enable each one. I'll say go to app. It says search for new camera. So I'll turn the camera back on. It went off. Okay, it says new device detected. I'll hit connect. It's connecting to Bluetooth. It says first the connection must be confirmed on the camera screen. I'll hit the plus there, or the check. It says Insta360 wants to join the Wi-Fi network 1x2 and has a name. I'll hit join. Okay, it says activate camera. I'll hit activation. It says activated. I'll hit done. So it looks like the camera is set up in the app. I will hit the camera icon at the bottom. And here we see a preview of the camera. So that's how you set up the Insta360 One X2 360 camera in the app. So that was super easy to do. This has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on it. The app was able to connect to both automatically. So that was really convenient. I didn't have to type anything in. And now I can control the camera from the app or download photos or things like that. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Till next time, goodbye.